New tornado emergency for that storm that produced the wedge tornado that went through Valonia. Apparently the wedge has lifted and new tornado is on the ground.
Locations in or near the path of this tornado.
Let me show you the text. And I'm live streaming KATV. I did hear them say before I started recording that there was extreme evidence of a tornado in that general area right there.
Northeastern Arkansas. See the damage, you see the
it's probably going to repeat it. And look at all the carnage that came from this morning's evening storm. Good Lord! Valonia got hit real hard.
In effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday for portions of the listening area. Flash flood watch in effect through Monday morning for portions
Lord help us, folks.
Tornado watch 9.
Yep, it says confirmed tornado moving towards Jackson County.
Portions of the listening area. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely early in the
I am really hoping that this thing weakens. Because if it doesn't, I'm in for a long day out here.
Locally heavy rainfall.
I'm for it to repeat it.
In the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the evening, becoming 5 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. The chance of rain 70%, decreasing to 50%. Monday, partly sunny, breezy, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in
apparently it took the
southwest winds 10 to 15
good God, that thing is a wedge. That is a wedge right there, folks. That thing's a minimum of F3 wedge right there.
A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows around 50. West winds 10 to 15.
That was a picture of Mayflower, by the way. That's where that debris ball showed up.
After midnight. The chance of rain 20%.
I knew there was a wedge on the ground when I saw that. I just didn't know it was that large.
Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour in the morning, shifting to the west 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. The
Good Lord.
50%. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a
And look at all that carnage there, folks.
in north central Arkansas.
Wait, that's the tornado. That thing's at least a half-mile wide, if not 3/4 of a mile to maybe a mile wide. That thing's huge.
North central Arkansas, southeastern Van Buren County in north central Arkansas.
For those of you who couldn't see the picture on the Weather Channel, I'm going to put it up here.
16 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable.
There it is, folks. There's that puppy is freaking huge. That thing is a monster.
We're 15 miles southwest of Heber Springs and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Heber Springs.
Tornado emergency continues. That hasn't changed for that storm.
Rosebud, Whitman, Pangburn, Newton, Guy, Greers Ferry, Fairbanks, Woodrow, Woburn, Pearson, Narrows, Marina, Ida, Hopewell, Hill Creek Recreation Area. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 2 a.m. Monday morning for northeastern Arkansas. Tornado emergency for THIDA and oil trough.
New tornado.
Warning remains in effect for north central White, west central Jackson, and south central Independence counties until 9:15 p.m. At 8:45 p.m. Storm spotters and National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a confirmed tornado with reports of damage.
So I was trying to grab something.
Potentially deadly tornado was located 6 miles northeast of STEPROCK, or 17 miles northeast of
SEARCY dodged the bullet from that tornado.
miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for THIDA and oil.
Like I said at the beginning of the video, the wedge has lifted. A second tornado has touched down. And I guess the debris ball is showing up on radar now. That's why they declared a tornado emergency.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Monday morning for northeastern Arkansas.
Let me read you the bottom there. To repeat, a damaging tornado is on the ground. Take cover listed in extremely dangerous.
The dew point 69.
an exceptionally dangerous situation. The storm is producing a life-threatening, confirmed tornado capable of significant destruction. Take cover immediately. There you have it, folks. It's going to be a long night out there, and it's probably going to be a long day tomorrow and Tuesday. So stay tuned to the Weather Channel, they'll keep you advised. Or your local news station, they'll also keep you advised.